Hello COMEDK champions, welcome to Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel. Today is a very major update. I am going to discuss about that. Most of you have seen it, but you are not aware of the implications of this update. Okay, so document verification deadline extended. So your COMEDK registration is going to end tomorrow. If you are watching at a later time, the COMEDK registration would have been ended by then. So COMEDK registration will be ending, but the document verification window is extended. What is the meaning of that? This is document, you will be uploading the document by 10th of June 2 p.m. So there is no other deadline for that. So document upload and COMEDK registration deadline is 10th of June 2 p.m. But what is the meaning of document verification window extended? So we will explain in detail about this. So this is a very important video if you are thinking about COMEDK exam and consequent counseling process. You are waiting for counseling process. So what is the meaning of that? We will explain. So let us look into the notification by COMEDK. So last date of document verification is 30th June. Okay, each candidate's documents will be verified before the end of June / the start of choice filling, and their verification status will reflect in document upload tab. Candidates are requested to not frequently email, call the help desk to check the document status. So basically what is the meaning of that? So last date of verification is 30th June. So that means the choice filling option entry will start only after 30th June. So that is very clear in these wordings, that the document verification will only happen before your choice filling starts. And the last date is given here is 30th June. Today is 9th June when I am recording this video, and tomorrow is the last date for your document upload and fee payment for COMEDK registration, COMEDK counseling registration, right? So that means the choice entry will not be started before 30th June. It can go up beyond that as well, because the last date they have mentioned 30th June is there, okay, and the start of choice filling. So if it extended into the July month, then the choice filling will only start in the month of July, right? Now, so basically that they are giving you an idea that, okay, choice filling will be delayed. The option entry, the choice filling, that will be delayed. That is the clear message through this deadline window. Now, for what it does mean for you, first of all, you have to go into your login, students login. Okay, you go if you have registered for counseling, that is, otherwise obviously it will not be applicable to you. So go to your login. So counseling registration, if you see here counseling registration, so here you have to click if you have not yet registered for counseling. So here you have to register yourself. Just a second. So first you have to register yourself. Just a second. So first you have to register yourself in the counseling registration. Okay, so this is first step. This is first step. Now once you have done the counseling registration and your payment status is showing success, payment status is showing success, that means you have registered yourself, you have entered which what is your category, what is for which you are interested in the registration, obviously engineering. And once you have done that, then you have to come over here, document upload, and you have to upload the documents. I will share the list of documents as well. So once your document upload is done, then you will see here that at the application status remark, documents submitted. Okay, document submitted. Now once these documents are verified, you do not need to go anywhere or do anything. It will be verified digitally. Don't worry about it. So once the documents are verified, it will be showing here documents verified. So thus submitted will be transferred into verified. So you have to check that if the documents are not verified, if it is saying that documents rejected, very important, if it is showing that documents rejected, then you have to re-upload the documents. So that is till 30th June. So for you, it is very important to understand that, first of all, once you have done the process, log into your portal, check what is the status. So status should be documents submitted, and once the documents are digitally verified, it will be started after 10th of June, obviously. So once the documents are verified, it will be mentioned documents verified. They will verify your identity proof, your date of birth, your marks card, your everything they will verify digitally. You do not need to go anywhere. You do not need to show them physically your documents, not required. So they will update it here, documents verified. If documents are rejected, you have to so basically if the documents are rejected, you have to go to this portal will open to you again, and or you can click here to view icon, okay, and then you have to check which document is rejected. So here all the documents are given here. So one of them will be turned red, and they will ask you that this document is, you have to upload the particular document. So you have to go there and you have to upload that particular document. What are the list of documents? So first is original ID proof. ID proof is there. Next is date of birth proof of candidate. Okay, so ID proof can be your voter card, can be your driving license. Date of birth proof generally is your PAN card. View candidate second PUC standard equivalent marks card, that is you have received from your board. So that marks card you have to upload it here. DigiLocker, you can download it from DigiLocker and upload it over here. Second is second PUC admit card. Okay, 12th or second PUC admit card. So if you are from CBSE, you will have 12th admit card. If you are from PUC board, you will have your PUC admit card. So that admit card also have to be uploaded over here. Now COMEDK test admission ticket that was signed during the exam. So your photo was pasted. It was signed by the whoever is hall in charge, and then by you as well. So that also has to be uploaded over here, right? So these are the documents that you have to upload. In case one of the document is rejected due to various reason, you have to either you have to change the document or you have to re-upload the document. Suppose your image quality is not proper, visibility is not clear, then they might reject that. So in that case, you have to re-upload the document once more. So documents submitted here should be turned into documents, either it will be rejected or it will be approved. So you have to keep on checking it, and in case one of the documents is rejected, generally you will receive an SMS which document is rejected and why. You have to upload that document as well. So you will supposed to get an update via SMS or via email. So do check that out as well. So document submitted, that portal is open till 30th June, but registration and initial upload is 10th of June. So initial upload, you cannot wait till the document. So okay, so document verification date is extended. So I will wait till 30th June and 29th of June I will upload the documents. That is not possible. Document upload has to done, first document upload has to done by 10th of June. Right, so that is very, very important part for all of you to understand. So first is you have to register yourself, upload the document, and then wait till the document status turned into accepted. Okay, initially it was submitted. From submitted, it has to convert into accepted, and in case it is rejected, you will have to check which document is rejected and you have to re-upload that document. Okay, suppose you have uploaded some local authorities but date of birth which is not accepted. Okay, so that you have to change it. So so that date of birth proof you have to change it to something which is accepted by the COMEDK organization, right? So you have to upload proper documents. Suppose you have a caste certificate. The caste certificate does not have a proper stamp and proper number. So in that case, you have to upload the proper caste certificate. So those documents that you have uploaded, those documents have to be re-upload once more. So that is what it means. So 30th June, and we can expect that the counseling process will not start before 30th of June. That is one point which is clear, right? So do not ask again and again, sir, when the counseling process will start for COMEDK. Generally, obviously, KCET and COMEDK counseling happens as parallel as possible, so that students can decide which colleges to choose between these two options. Obviously, they will choose some college from KCET or COMEDK. Generally, there are a lot of overlapping students because majority of the COMEDK, the students, those who appear for COMEDK are from Karnataka, majority. But yes, there are students from outside India, outside Karnataka as well. So they also have their own states counseling They also have JEE counseling. They also have JEE advanced counseling. So a lot of counselings are going on. So after all these things are settled down, then COMEDK counseling will start. And as you know that NEET exam was cancelled and it was going to happen once more in 21st of June. So after NEET results are out, then some students will prefer medical over engineering. So that's why they try to do the counseling process as parallel as possible, and that possibly one of the reason why the counseling and choice filling will be delayed by COMEDK. But one important part for you to take note, that you have to keep checking whether your documents submitted status turned into documents approved status. Okay, if the documents approved status is done, then you have no work, you can relax, you can chill till 30th of June. Right, so that is one important update for all of you. Do keep checking on whether your document status is changed from submitted to approved, but do not send mails and calls to COMEDK people, because they have, as they have mentioned, do not frequently call about their document status. Okay, so you do not need to call it, it will be happening automatically. And if your documents are approved, 99.9% cases it will be approved. For 0.1% students it might be rejected, so you have to check that as well. Right, we are not only considering 99.9%, we are also considering the remaining 0.1% as well. Okay, so if you are falling in 0.1%, you have to re-upload that document as well. Right, so this is very important point to remember. So choice filling will be delayed, and document status, when it is changed to approved, you can relax. If it is not approved, you have to upload the corresponding document. So these things you need to note. Right, I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you feel that you are getting helped by this channel, do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and share this video with your friends, those who are waiting for COMEDK choice filling, COMEDK counseling process. Right, I'll be back with more college reviews, more KCET updates, more KCET rank list as well, and COMEDK rank list as well in future. Till then, bye.